Nobody gets.
Now, mobile. Keep the mobile in the. All of you. In the other side. बोला क्या? रश्मि.
So mattress filling my food.
Nice now if mobile is there, otherwise people are still eating going on. Oh. Sir. Are you finish it up now? Yashmi, today it will be over or
2 minutes.
good morning you all. All of you stand up. When you finish, after next break you can eat now. In between where we go? When our first na?
To go hard.
Ari, what is it? One machine or something? Yeah. Last week. The board. You do not bring the board? Huh? You read? Sit down, all of you. Lingza did not bring food? Good. Ayush. Now we started now. Food is when the action started over. Yeah. Read out the book. All of you open the book. Let's finish that chapter itself. Really, let's now questions are over now. All questions are over. Yeah. Satvi, done. We'll start now. Rara, stand up there. How many questions we have done? 4 we have done. 6th one we have to do now.
चालू करना है क्वेश्चन
Yes. Yes. Let's start now. Done. Okay, read the question. Take the hello. Take that this one. Holding your hand and stand straight and
Mr. Mehra said his servant to market to buy oranges with what rupees
oranges for rupees 15. Yeah.
The servant having 300 plus 200 Mr. Mehra pays 25 paise per orange more than the market price, taking X to be the number of oranges which Mr. Mehra received from the quadratic equation in X.
Form the quadratic equation then. Okay.
Hence find the value of X.
And the value there. Read properly. Read the question once again, all of you. Next, you will be. I will tell which step by over here you have to do. I'm telling you this. No more discussions. Follow up the question. Then read and get the meaning of the question, then we can make the equation.
So last sentence.
So, there are first, read all of you? Okay. What is your marking? I know who is mark. Marking people will come to me at 2:50 and remaining like that. Yeah. So, what is this 15 rupees? Orange. Total cost of the oranges. Total price Mehra spent for the oranges. Okay. Then, what if servant goes to market and buys some orange? What he does on his way?
Eats 3 oranges.
Yeah, I also do the same thing. Yeah. What he does? He eats 3 oranges. And so, balance orange only is giving to Mr. Mehra, isn't it? For example, if he bought 20 oranges, he eats 3 oranges, and how many oranges Mehra will get? 17 oranges. Okay. Thereby, Mr. Mehra has to pay how much money extra? 25 paise extra for each oranges. So he is not telling I ate these oranges. He is telling I purchased only these 17 oranges only. So you have to frame the equation. For that one, what is X is given? What is X is given?
Number of oranges.
What number of oranges?
Which Mr. Mehra received.
Number of oranges received. Yes or no? Received by Mr. Mehra. Yes or no? Is equal to X. Okay? Now, therefore, number of oranges number of oranges purchased is equal to how much? X plus 3. Not stop writing. That's all. I started writing. For those who know, then solve it. All of you sign the attendance sheet. Don't stop writing means these people are writing only. You know how to solve. Those who know, continue solving. But Maitri, explain how to bring the equation. Not trying, we will try. Okay. So, what is X? Number of oranges. Oh, sorry. Number of oranges received by Mera. What is X plus 3? Number of oranges purchased. That servant purchased how many oranges? X plus 3 oranges. What is 15? Total cost, isn't it? Total cost is equal to 15. Listen here. Now, we'll do one thing in a you go behind and sit and do. I don't want to see. Can you stand up and explain the remaining part? Solving the equation. Now, price of one orange. Listen here. This is important one. One orange, according to Mr. Mera. What is the price of one orange according to Mr. Mera? 15 upon X. Because he is receiving how many oranges? X oranges. And he spent how much money? 15 rupees. Therefore, according to Mr. Mera, price of one orange is equal to 15 upon X rupees. Is it clear or not? How did he get? Because he receives only how many oranges? X oranges. And he spent how much money? 15 rupees. Actual price of one orange. What will be the actual price of one orange? 15 upon X plus 3. 15 upon X plus 3. Yes or no? Sir, how many oranges he is purchasing? Sir is purchasing X plus 3. And how much he is spending? 15. Therefore, actual price of one orange is equal to 15 upon X plus 3. Now, this amount is 25 paise more than this one. Stand up there. Come here. Come. To you only. Come away. Come. Continue. What is discussion going on? He is talking. Yeah. Everyone is talking. Who is talking to you? Ranveer was talking. Did you reply? No, you did not reply. But when I was saying you were looking at the now, Viraj, remember these two names. Ranveer and what is your name? Ammai. Okay. They will no problem. So talking time I will give you. Ajay, this Selena is with you right away? Yes. With you right now? Sir, do you have Selena? Yes. You brought it now? Okay. Which chapter you like most? Okay. Quadratic equation. Chapter is what? Quadratic equation 4, no? 5. Okay. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 of quadratic equation. All the questions, when you do? After 2:15, stay back and do it. Plus the punishment homework. Understood? Believe here? Believe here? 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, all the questions you will sit and do. Plus the punishment. Did you not? End of the lecture, I need this one. Now we'll see. He is talking, I am replying. Huh? You don't need to, who asked you to stay back? You end of the lecture, you give me the list. Understood? Now, we are trying to make one equation and all that of what that working. Did you tell that he is disturbing? Huh? Yeah, Dr. can reply. Now, over here, so this is one. This is the price paid by Mera for one orange. This is the actual cost. According to the question, what is it? For Mera, how much money extra he has to pay for 25 paise? That means price paid 15 upon X will be 15 upon X plus 3 plus 25 paise. 25 paise means 25 upon 100. Are you followed the condition? Sit down. Now look here. So this is the actual price. These all things are framing the equations are not very easy. You have to identify and see that is a condition. This is according to the Mera. What is the? This is the 15 upon X. Actual price is 15 upon X plus 3. according to the question, this price is 25 paise more than the original price. Therefore, 15 up, and this paisa is in convert to rupees, everything is rupees. Now, followed na condition. Those who are still problem, raise your hand. Not followed. You know how to solve this one? Yes, start solving now. Shall I give the steps now? Shall I give the steps? Not at all. Yes, write down those who wanted. Right. Number of oranges received by Mr. Mehra. Number of oranges received by Mr. Mehra is equal to X. Number of oranges purchased is equal to X plus 3. Total cost is equal to 15 rupees. The total cost is equal to 15 rupees. Next, price of one orange according to Mr. Mehra. Price of one orange according to Mr. Mehra or paid by Mr. Mehra is equal to 15 by X. Next, actual cost of one orange, actual price of one orange is equal to 15 upon X plus 3. So, by the given condition, 15 upon X, by the given condition, 15 upon X is equal to 15 upon X plus 3 plus 25 upon 100. You are writing this all. You write now this one. Okay. So solve it. Try to solve. This is cancel and this is 1 by 4. Bring this one 15 upon X minus 15 upon X plus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Take the LCM. Solve it. All of you do it. All of you solve it. Those are not shifting also done, there is no problem. But equation should come properly. Shambhavi, do it fast. Oh. So why you are turning back? Take the LCM and do it. This is a 25 times at least you have done LCM. Similar one. Fast. LCM do it. I am waiting. Otherwise. Nice. Nice. Now turn back and see how to take it. Is it? Without looking this one, you cannot take the LCM. No? Hello, these many questions are taken. Do you know how to take the LCM? I don't know. How much time is taking to do the LCM? You solve it. Don't solve. I will ask you what it is. Now what happened? How did you get this solved? Copying here and there now. Then what is x square plus 3? How did you get? Are those who don't know, hello, those who, why you people are talking there? Those who don't know taking the LCM, look over here. This is at least every question we are doing the same thing. The denominator x multiplied by x plus 3. Then this denominator does not have x plus 3. Multiply 15 times x plus 3 minus this denominator does not have x, so 15x is equal to 1 by 4. Is it the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time? You count and see how many questions you have. Still, this also quite a lot of people doesn't know. Then open the bracket. 15 into x is 15x plus 45 minus 15x upon, if you're opening, x into x is x square plus 3 into x is 3x. Cross multiply 45 into 4, 180 is equal to x square plus 3x. To making, I don't know it's how much difficulty here. Framing equation I can understand, there was a complicated one. 0 is equal to x square plus 3x minus 180 or x square plus 3x minus 180 is equal to 0. Check yourself, are you getting this equation? Are you able to solve? If you are not solving it, you are not learning. That's a simple thing. We are not, okay, here getting a little difficulty is there, this one. But the remaining part you should do it. If you are not able to solve means you are not studying, remember. Factorization, product is 180, try to find out. Splitting the middle term. What are you doing here? Then what did you cut it? Product is 180, 15 and 12. So if those who don't know, look here, 180 taken, factorize. Prime factorization, 2s are 90, 2s are 45, 3s are 15, 3s are 5. So factorization done. Product is minus 180, sum is equal to 3. You have to take the factors and subtract. If I take 2, remaining is 90, 90 minus 2, no. 4, remaining is 45, 45 minus 4, no. 2 2s are 4 3s are 12, 12 and 15, 15 minus 12, yes. So that is a way to find out. Therefore, x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 180 equal to 0. X times x plus 15 minus 12 into x plus 15. X plus 15 times x minus 12. X equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 12. It's not difficult. I'm telling you, people. There are just difficult questions are there, yes, but these are not difficult ones. So minus 15 is not possible. Therefore, what is the value of x? 12. What is the question now? Read word problem. What do you have to find out? At the value of x only. So write the answer as value of x. Or the question is, how many oranges received by Mera? 12. How many oranges purchased? 12 plus 350. Okay, that all if the question is asked accordingly you have to write. Here the answer is x is cannot be this one. Done all of you? Everyone? Okay. Yes. Rashmi done this one. Then why there is a discussion? What is the requirement of the discussion out there? Yes, Rashmi stand up. Read the next question.
Rupees 250 is divided equally among a certain number of children. Thereby 25 children more. Each would have received 50 paise less. Find the number of children.
So, all of you. Heard the punishment now? Ready to stay back now? Continue. Yes. What is the meaning of the question? 250 is divided among certain number of children. Then, if the instead of there are, let's say, more 25 were there, then each would have received 50 paise less. That is the condition. You have to find out number of children. So you will write first of all, what did you write? Number of children is equal to x. And total amount divided is equal to how much? 250. Number of children is x. Total amount divided is equal to 250. So for one child, how much amount you will get? Ashmi, for each child, how much you will get? What you are searching over there, if there are 250 rupees is divided among X children, how much each child will get? Then you have to look in the book. So that is 250 by X. Second case, number of children will cause how much? How many more?
25.
That means X plus 25. How much money is distributed? Same amount only distributed now. Therefore, how much per child is getting? Per child will be getting as 250 upon X plus 25. This money is how much less than? 50 plus less than original. Means 250 upon X plus 25 is means equal to how much less than? Minus 50 than the original 250 upon X. Now this is minus 50 means 50 upon 100. Look here. Then per child the new amount is equal to original amount minus 50. That what is it? Everyone looking around there. This one. Maitre, next if any movement is there, you are the person. You will be here. Okay. One of the benches. Leaving the second bench, one of the benches. So, are you followed the same? Followed, situation followed. Don't write this X 250X. You have to write the statement. Is it clear, all of you? Yes or no? Yes. Right. Statement should I give? Number of children is equal to X. Total amount is equal to 250 rupees. Total amount is equal to 250 rupees. Amount received by one child. Amount received per child or one child is equal to 250. 250 by X. Next line. When there are 25 more children. When there are 25 more children. Number of children is equal to X plus 25. And the amount number of children is equal to X plus 25. Amount received per child is equal to 250 upon X plus 25. According to the condition, what happened? If there are 20, did you read the question? Did you read the question? No. But you have to read the question. If there were 25 more children, each child will get how much? 50 paise less. Means whatever received minus 50 paise is converted into this one. What happened to you? Huh? 100, this is paise, this is rupees. You know how to convert rupees to paise to rupees? Divide by 100. Understood or not? So after writing according to the given condition, this one. Cancel, this is 1 by 2. Simpler way to do is bring that 1 by 2 to the left side. And other things to the right side, 250 by X minus 250 upon X plus 25. Those who are taken directly LCM also no problem. Check, final equation should be the same thing. LCM take You found the place where to sit now. That is why your excitement. Then the next question if you got it done. Take the homework and do it. Those who are completed do it. Sharath, done? So you don't need to ask, I'm telling you, know. X multiplied by 25 is how much? Are equal to 1 by 2. You going to open the bracket. What all? Still not received. What is the LCM and all writing? Do it fast. Yes. X25. Next class I will ask the squarest till 30. 30. Yes. Yashmeet,
Yes, sir.
you have to remind me.
Yes, sir.
If you remind me, I will not ask you.
Okay, sir.
If you don't remind me, means somebody will remind me, I will ask first
I will
all.
remind you. Yes.
Or to everyone I am telling you, till 30 square you learn and go. So my majority knows quite a lot. Till 30 once, till in any case, most of you must be knowing till 15 square. Still people are struggling to take LCM x into x plus 25. This x plus 25 will come 250 times x plus 25. Most of the people are just used to copying only and they're making a lot of mistakes. Minus 250 times x is equal to 1 by 2. Simplify. That is 1 by 2 is equal to 250x plus 225, 25, 6250 minus 250x upon x square plus 25x. These two are cancelled. Cross multiply. Check how it is. It is not difficult the way you people do it. Multiply this one 625 into 2, 12,500. X square plus 25x minus 12,500 equal to 0. Done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one, those who are done also, listen here. You have to do it by do it by quadratic formula. Who is that, Ajay?
Sir, Eastern Marriage Policy is 506.
Oh, sorry. Who asked you? Who asked you? I'm coming there. And you get one. All of you do it by quadratic formula.
Sir, policy.
You B square man. I wanted to see, that is why I am telling you people.
Sir, I didn't know.
You will not. Quality, sir.
Don't you see? I need quadratic formula to do it. But she is specialist in quadratic formula. She does everything quadratic formula. Yeah. Huh? See, there also people are making mistake. It's wrong what you're doing. Where is the value of B square minus 4AC? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 25, C is equal to minus 12,500. B square, you can factorize it, there is no problem, but learn in between that also. Is equal to 20. Shh. minus 4 into 1 into minus 12,500. That is equal to 625 plus 50,000. That is equal to 50625. Which much all of you got?
Yes, sir.
X equal to formula minus B. B square minus 4AC. Still Maitra is talking now? Maitra is standard? Yashmi was talking?
No, sir.
He was not talking? Ajay, you are also talking. Minus 25 plus or minus root of 50625 divided by 2 into 1. Now all of you listen here. How to find out why I given this only. If you are under, this is not a value you can directly remember. You just take 50625 and prime factorization. You can see 5 is there. 5 is there means what? 1, 0. Again 1, 2, 5. Again take 5. So what will you get? 2, 2, 0. How much? 2, 5. Still problem? Again take 5. So what will you get? 4, 0, 5. Again take 5. So 8, 1. Now 9. So what will you get here? That is equal to minus 25 plus or minus from where? 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 9. So 5 5s are 25 and 9s are 225. 2 to 5. Oh. 200 divided by 2 which is equal to 100. Minus 250 divided by 2 which is equal to minus 125. Therefore, my 100 and minus 125. Learn that is this also. It's not that we do always factorization. Yes, if the question is asked, you should know. Therefore, x is equal to 100 or minus 125. Final answer. Therefore, the number of children is equal to 100. Number of children is equal to 100. Right? Final answer. Number of children is equal to 100. What happened? 'To whom you are looking since long time? Completed all of you? Who's backing? Yeah. Completed that one? Listen, just yourself you think how is the quadratic equation going on? I am not satisfied the way you people are performing. Because even there are quite a lot of people even doesn't know how to take the LCM even. Forget about factorization. Just framing the equation also. The same question. This type of question today we have done all 3, 4, 5 questions the same thing only same LCM. Still lot of people are unable to do. See, look here, there should be a willingness to study. You have to need to study. But that part is missing me, then the problem. All of you take page number 53, take a page 53. Okay. Question number 12, have you seen?
Yes, sir.
All of you try to do the question 12. It will be some previous board question, means it is a board exam question only. Let's see. Try to do. Read and identify, then start solving. At least 2 times read. You will not get the idea by 1 time reading. Shambhavi, what is searching is going on? Read 2 times, 3 times, you will get some idea, then try to bring the equation. Asit, are you doing? Sleeping time, huh? How many got the equation? Viraj, are you copying? Copying? Seeing your writing. How many of you looked at his book and you written, no, or he is wrong, he is also equally wrong only, na? Then why did he copy? Yeah. Oh. How many of you got the equation? Only one, two. Two people. Very nice. At least others, not even. Okay, Shirisha, read the question. All of you stop writing.
Due to heavy rain, speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour, and such it takes 2 hours to cover this. Assuming the uniform speed would be accelerated per hour, form an equation is called.
So, the distance covered is how much? 240 kilometer. What is the meaning of the question? Bus travels with a uniform speed all the time, but due to weather, climate change, or whatever it is, what is it due to? Heavy rain. The speed is being reduced by 10 kilometer per hour. Thereby, it has to take extra time. Isn't it? How much extra time it takes? 2 hours extra. You have to frame the equation. Already given what is x. What is x? What speed is the uniform speed? Not down. Uniform speed is equal to x. Uniform speed is equal to x. New speed is equal to x minus 10. Look what is it written. Check. New speed is equal to how much? X minus 10. Distance is equal to 240 kilometer. Okay. Therefore, usual time is equal to usual time, which is not given. We have to apply distance upon speed. What is the distance? 240 divided by x. That many hours. That is the usual time. Next is new time. Again, same distance upon speed. Distance is 240. New speed is equal to x minus 10. X minus 10 hours. Now, this page is clear. Hello. Oi. Next, the condition is this new time. What is the condition given? Is equal to usual time plus 2 hours. That is 240 upon x minus 10 is equal to usual time is how much? 240 upon x plus 2. Check the step. What is done? Is it the equation? Are you following? Is it very complicated? Now, see the usual time is equal to new time plus 2 hours. Is it the condition you got? Wait. Now, next is how we solve this one. Which will be shifting? 240 upon x. 240 upon x minus 10 minus 240 upon x is equal to 2. LCM.
Yes.
All of you know how to take the LCM? Are you taking the LCM? No. Same you check x into x minus 10. So this x will come over here 240x minus 240 times x minus 10 is equal to 2. Open the bracket, cross multiply, you will get the equation. Yes, Shambhavi? Yes or no? Your equation is wrong. Plus minus का problem है ना? Sir. Your equation is wrong answer now. Find out what is the mistake.
Plus minus there is no
Why you should take level? You cannot take two variable now. Take it to one variable now. Isn't it? What are equation? Only one variable. Otherwise you have to remove that y. How do you remove that? Okay? 2 0 0 0 double 0. What is the disconnect for you? That is wrong. Oh. So. Mistake. Look, majority of the mistake, look here. Most of you people, okay, you look back and found out now. I know. Plus 2,400, most of you wrote minus 2,400, including Viraj. Many came. Check, be careful, minus is multiplied. 2,400 is equal to 2 times x square minus 10x. You can see divide by 2. So it will come 1200. 0 is equal to x square minus 10x minus or x square minus 10x minus 1200. Simple factorization 40 and 30. Whose answer came here? Pondu,
So now
what did you do? Acha, third one. Who took the Ramesh name? So, value of x is equal to how much? 40 minus
Sir, really, sir, see.
Very difficult.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Without mistake, we can only small mistake and we must learn. For half page is cancelled now. Time is there now? No time? Yeah. Completed all of you? Those who have completed this question started. Finally, they asked you to find the X only, no? Or do it fast. Anjali completed. Do you move others sit down? All of you sit down. Anjali completed. Did started. Difficult to stand now. Okay. Ready now? Mike? Okay, not ready. But that time triangle you're drawing, so we have to teach triangle now. Done. You're done. What is the answer? What is the answer? X equal to loudly tell. 4.
40.
And minus 30. So what is the final answer? First. Then next cannot be negative because we. So what is the answer? Final answer? 40. Okay. What is your doubt? Yeah. Okay now. Listen now. Completed. Close the book. Notebook. Next book. Everything close. Close it now. Because there is no point of doing it. Majority are not doing it. I will do it. Yeah, I'm understanding. That's true. Yeah. All of you listen now. Here first there are 2 chapters we have done. One is a quadratic equation and problem based on quadratic equations. This is a related chapter. Related chapter means if you know the first chapter is to solving the equation. Second chapter is frame the equation and solve the equation. Means without knowing the quadratic equation. Now you need to practice and all. It is not like your ESC and all. ESC and all, once it is done means it's easy. You know the form, there is all of them are similar form. Even banking, there is only one form only. So you can do it. In equations also not that. These were 3 chapters were comparatively much easier than all the chapters of this book. And when the chapters little difficult started, I am seeing majority of you people are struggling. But one of the reason is there are quite a lot, even there are quite a lot of people not thinking that I am in 10th standard. And some way I will sit over there and work below. Lot of times I said, it's not your vacation time, you are wasting the time in this vacation time, you will not get back again. After vacation, your work will start, quite a lot, school work will be there. Then you will not get time to study. So please start doing it. Some of you just come over here, have fun, gone back, and after that. And homework, if I am telling somewhere or other way, something right and come. Seriously doing hardly people. So please do seriously. Otherwise, see, we have done 5 chapters. This way, another chapters will go. There are easy chapters that these will go. At the end, we finish the portion. Then where you reach, what you benefited, that you have to really think. So please do seriously. So now, the next day when you are coming, we will be giving some questions based on your chapter quadratic equations. Please revise. Once after that, I have to give some question based on problems. Because problems in quadratic equation, lot of people are unable to do. So first you revise some part and come. So let's see whether you can able to do or not. Your homework part, this one, you have to do the homework exercises of this one, problems in quadratic equation, whatever is left. 3 and 4. 3 contains how many questions? 4 questions. And 4 contains how many questions? Again 4 questions. 4 plus 4, 8 questions. Okay, only 8 questions only to be done, and the remaining you practice. Now, Ryan Nerul, one of the students stand up. Yes, what is the chapter doing in your school? Linear equations going on.
Quadratic.
Or
Quadratic, sir.
that are the any other chapter?
Same
other
class now. Sir, quadratic 5.1, 5.4.
ऑर्डर के हिसाब से चल रहा है
Okay, sit down. Ryan Kargar. Matrix is going.
Matrix.
Sit down. What happened? I am going to tell something. No. Okay, other schools. Which chapter is going on?
Section and
Sit down. Section and midpoint.
finish solving problem, reflection has been explained.
Reflection. Matrices. Trigonometry identical. Don't the line only. You line only. You have statistics. Probability. Here. Listen here. Are you sure the chapters are there now? Now we will do one little easier, comparatively easy chapter now. Because you know, now, comparatively easy chapter so that you know then by that time you have enough time to practice the quadratic equation. That is why we are going to do. We will do the chapter matrices. Okay, it's a comparatively list. Seeing the chapter name?
Yes, sir.
Spelling of matrices, you know, without hello, you let them use them. Yeah, listen all of you. The chapter again, matrices. There are parts are simple ones are there. The first part it is coming. There are 3 parts are there. One is identifying the matrix, types of matrices. Then we will come to the operations, how to add, subtract, scalar multiplication. Then third one is called the multiplication. Among that one, first 2 parts are very simple. Even I can tell you without, even if I am not teaching also, you can read and identify, that much easy. Only the major difficulty is coming as multiplication of matrices. That is a little difficult, but once you get the idea, then you'll please close the book and listen. Okay. Now, over here, this one. Now, even though whenever the chapters are easy, means you have to be very careful. Those who are getting very good marks, those who got out of 199, where is the mark is gone? Sir, my 1 mark is gone in probability. That is considered as easy system. Means generally the marks are going, the chapters which are very easy from there. Okay, from there, that is why you have to be very careful during this one. Now the next is matrix, means it is coming as a collection is coming. It is not one number, a collection of numbers is coming. Over there, one of the values wrong means if that answer itself is considered wrong. Okay, so you have to be careful with the chapter. We will do one by one. Okay, yes, matrix. What is the matrix? Yes, you said matrix is going up. Your friends all said the answer. Look here. Yeah, 2 words I wrote. One is called matrices. Second one is called matrix. Matrix is the singular. Matrices is the plural. Okay, now open your notebook. Write the chapter heading, matrices. Heading is written matrices. Yeah. Array, write fast, don't waste the time. Now, written all of you, matrices. Now, below write, matrix, M-A-T-R-I-X, matrix is a collection of numbers or not right collection of numbers. Is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Matrix is the rectangular arrangement. Matrix is the rectangular arrangement. Collection you cancel. Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Enclosed in square bracket. Written below. Matrices are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. Capital letters A, B, C, etc. And its elements means the numbers which belong, are denoted by small letters A, B, C, etc. Small letters A, B, C, etc. Written that much. Now listen all of you here. What is the matrix is given? Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Do you know what I mean by rectangular? You don't know what is rectangle? It contains length and breadth. Okay, like lengthwise, like 3, -2, 5, 0, 8, 1. This is called a rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. See, there are how many numbers are there? 6. Please stop all these things now. What is this? There are elements are there. This one. So how rectangle? See, this one is the lengthwise. This is the breadthwise. If this one has 3 elements, this is called the row. Horizontal ones are called the row. In one row, there are 3 elements, means the numbers. 3, everywhere 3 will be there. This is called, the vertical ones are called column. In one column, there are 2 elements, everywhere. How many elements are there? 2. And there is no comma at all. You cannot keep this way. There is one missing one. Everywhere some number should be there. This is called the matrix. Okay, what is the matrix? Rectangular arrangement of numbers enclosed in a square bracket. Later, sometimes in some book, instead of rectangle, but this way the bracket also is there. But very rare cases you will see. Okay, this way and the numbers will be there. Are you followed what is the matrix? Okay, now what are its elements over here? These are the elements 3, -2, 5, 0, 8, 1. These members can be any number. They will give. It can be rational, irrational, real number, decimal, fraction, there is nothing. Okay. And matrices are denoted by the letters A. Now, how will you read this one? A is equal to matrix. You can read by row wise or column wise. Generally, whenever I will tell the row. So, matrix 3, -2, 5. So, first row. Second row 0, 8, 1. Understood or not? Are you followed? Suppose it is given as another matrix 2, 7, 1, 2. The elements can be repeated. There is no plus minus. So this one. How many rows are here? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 2 columns. Here, how many rows are here? 3. 3 rows. 2 rows. First one, second one. 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 3. Understood all of you?
But it's a square arrangement of it.
The square is also a rectangle. Understood? Okay. So this is a square is also a rectangle. Rectangular arrangement. Understood or not? Yeah. Listen now. Yashmeet. Addition and explanation not required. Listen now. So how many rows are there here? 2 rows and 3 columns. How many rows are here? 2 rows and 2 columns. Now we are going to tell what is its order. Order of a matrix means number of rows by number of columns. How many rows are there?
2.
How many rows are there? 2. Row by 3. Its order is called 2 by 3. Its order is called 2 by 2. What is the meaning of this one? 2 rows and 3 columns. What is the meaning of this one? 2 rows and 2 columns. If it is given 1 by 3, what is the meaning of this one? 1 row and 3 columns. If it is 6 by 2, 6 rows and 2 columns. Are you followed or not? Now, so look here. Now, this order is how much? 2 by 3. So total how many elements? 2 into 3, 6 elements. How many elements are there? 6 elements. There are 2 rows. Now look here. If it is 2 by 3, look here without looking. Or if I write, if it is 3 by 4, Shravan, how many rows are there? How many rows are there? 4 rows are there. Smart. So not 4, 3 only, no? Not listening. How many columns are there? 4. How many rows are there? 3. How many elements are there in this matrix? 6. How did you get 6? 3 into 4 is 6. No, I am talking about not there. Here. How many elements are there? 12 elements are there. Yes. How many rows are there? 3 rows. In a row, how many elements will be there? There are 3 rows are there. In a row, how many elements are there? 4 elements. Are you followed? So first row, how many elements? 4 elements. Second row, how many elements? 4 elements. Third row, see, look here, 2 by 3. How many rows are there? 2 rows. Every row, how many elements? 3 elements are there. Yes. How many columns are there? 4 columns. In each column, how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. Okay. All right. How many elements are there? 12 elements are there. So it's order. So if I tell there is a matrix which contains 12 elements, can you tell what will be its order?
3 into 4.
Is it always 3 into 4? No. It can be 3 by 4. It can be 4 by 3. It can be 6 by 2. It can be 2 by 6. It can be 12 by 1. It can be 1 by 12. Now, what about 3 by 4 and 4 by 3? Are they same? No. What is the meaning of 3? So then element wise is 12 all the same, no, all same only, no? You cannot take, okay, this, what is the meaning of this one? How many rows? 3 rows. And how many columns? 4 columns. For this one, Manjari, for this one, how many rows and how many columns? Loudly. 4 what? Rows. And how many columns? 3 columns. Understood or not? They are not saying here 3 rows are there. Here how many rows are there? 4. Are you followed the difference? So 3 by 4 and 4 by 3 are different. 2 by 6 and 6 by 2 are different. Understood? Total number of elements counting only. You have nothing to do over there. Suppose if I write this one. What is the order of this one? What is the order of this one? 3 by 2. 2 by 3. Are they saying nothing? No? So entirely different things. So followed what is that matrix? Yes or no? Or what happened?
Sir, I did not understand how that 12.
How many elements? What is the order of this matrix? 2 into 3. So how many elements are there? 6. How did you get 2 into 3? So check. If the order is 3 by 4, how many elements will be there? 3 into 4, 12. Okay. Now, if it contains, once again look here, if the order is 5 by 3, how many rows are there? 5 rows. In each row, how many elements are there? 3 elements. How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. In each column, how many elements? 5 elements are there. Are you followed now? Sure. Okay. Yes. Here. This 0 is an element now. Which element is 0? Which element in this one? 0. Can you identify? In second row, first element, first column. Understood or not? Then 8.
Second row,
Second row, second element. 1. Second row, third element. Understood or not? -2.
First row, second row.
First row, second element. Are you followed? Okay, Yashmi. 5. First row, third element. Okay. Now I'm going to you do not write rows and order. You do not write. No, right. First you write order. Order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is the number of rows by multiplication is read as by number of columns. Number of rows by number of columns. But multiplication is called by. Okay, how will this one? How do you read this one? How will you read this one? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That's your not, this is not division. This is the way to read, okay? How do you read? 2 by 3. Understood or not? Not divided by. Okay. Then by, there are a lot. Multiplied by also is there. That also by. By also for. Okay. 2 by. Okay. So, example, right? If the order is 3 by 4. If the order is 3 by 4, there are how many? 3 rows. 3 by 4, right in that way, cross 3 by 4. There are 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns, and total there are 12 elements. Total there are 12 elements. Understood all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here. Now I'm going to give the assigning the name for the elements. 3 is called which element? First row, first column means first row, first element is denoted by A11. First row, look here, listen. Now, -2 is which one? First row, second row. First row, second element denoted by A12. Are you following now?
Yes, sir.
5 is which element? First row, third element A13. 0 is which element? Not B, A21. Elements are always A, no? So second row, first element. Then what is 8? A22. Sarah followed? Ayush, what is this one? A23. Why A33 is coming? Are you followed all of you? Pakka.
Why not we can write B?
If you're writing B, everything should be B. Not this way. If you're writing B11, B12, B13. Understood? Generally, matrix A means A11, A12. B means B11, B12. Yes. Which one? This element. It is not A11. A11 means first row, first element. A12. What is the meaning of A12? First row, second element. What is the meaning of A34? What is the meaning of A3? Third row, fourth column element. Third row, fourth element. Understood or not? Sure. Who is that? Atharva is talking? Yes. Now, look here. One more, listen here. When you write the matrix, leave the space and write, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
that, and there is no comma and all, okay? Nice lot of work here, na? Yeah. Shh. Listen now. Asit, stand up. All of you stop talking and listen over here. What is the order of this matrix? I did not ask Omni. What is the order of this matrix? Who is that? Yashmeet? Maitri? There, what is the order? Sattvic standard. What is the order of this matrix? Huh? 4 into 4. How many rows are there? You know what is a row? These are called the rows. How many rows are there? 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 by 4. Are you followed? It is not I don't know. Cover the face and I don't know. Why you covered the face? Sit down. Both of you. Hello. Shambhavi, stand up. Shirisha is talking there. Who? Riddhi started now? Okay. What is the order of this matrix? 3 by 4. Okay. Understood? Which element is A? All of you listen here. Which element is A23? A23 is 2. Good, smart girl. Sit down. You are not following. Do you know what is the meaning of A23? Oh.
2.
Okay, then you stand up. Which element is A32? 5. Sit down. Stand up. Then which element is A34? Why are you looking here and there? Which element is A34? Sir will tell. Tell the answer. What is the answer? Third row. Look at this figure and tell. Look at this matrix and tell, not figure. -7. How? Tell her how you got. Do you know which is the third row? Okay. Now, which is the element A21? Bakka? Sure. Sit down. Which element is A12? 6. Sit down. You know now? Yes. Stand up. Which element is A13? 8. Sit down. You know now? No. Then what is which element is A31? -5. Which element is A33? A33 is 7. Sit down. All of you followed. Riddhi. Which element is A41? Huh? There is no A41. Pakka? Then what is A43? Sorry, A34. A34 is minus 7. Listen, Ayush, you turn this side. Now, look here. One more. Your A13 and A31 are different. A13 means 8. A31 means minus 5. Okay, understood? So, elements are generally denoted by A, I, J. Listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Aij? Means I is for row and J is for column. This is a general rotation. So here it is. Listen now. There we will be given that one. This I and J will be replaced by some numbers. Suppose if it is A53. What is the meaning of A53? The width row, third column element. Okay, understood. Means Aij means what? Ith row. Jth column means there are rows will be given correspondingly. I and J will be given. Something funny is going on.
No, sir.
So the corresponding elements will be there. Understood? Now next, below write down all of you. All of you identified now.
Yes.
Now matrices. A matrix of order. A matrix of order 3 by 4. A matrix of order 3 by 4 can also denoted by A is equal to A matrix Aij 3 by 4. Look over here and write.
So matrix in that.
A, right. Matrix means square bracket. In that one, the elements, what is the meaning is, listen carefully. Listen. Matrix of order 3 by 4 can also denoted by this way. Its meaning is elements are of the form Aij. And how many rows are there? 3 rows are there, and how many columns are there? 4 columns. Listen, this is full matrix if you are writing. First one will be A11, next is A12, A13, A14. Is it A15 is there? No. Next one, A21, A22, A23, A24. A31, A32, A33, A34. Are you followed? Since it is 3 by 4. If it was 3 by 3, then accordingly like that. Is it clear? So you can write that is A is equal to. Write this also. A is equal to. Return. Yashmit Rod. Are you following? Sure. But you could not tell the element. So all of you followed. Type one question. Return all of you. Will alright. Find the matrix A, which is equal to Aij of order 3 by 2, where Aij is equal to 3i minus j. Try to find out. If not, I will explain. Try what to find out. It's written in your question. If you don't know, don't do. Shh. Yeah. Try to find. Find matrix A. Is there anyone able to do? Try. One is right. Okay. Zero is right. Third is right. See this.
Sir, I think done.
Now listen. All of you listen here. Got? Now look here. All of you listen. First of all, What is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix? Then 3 by 2, that means it is of the form A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Some of you have written this much. Yes or no? That is not enough. It's given Aij is equal to 3i minus j. If I find out A34 means I is equal to how much? I is equal to 3, j is equal to 4. So replace 3 times 3 minus 4. How much? 9 minus 4, which is 5. If I want to find out A51, how do you find out? According to this formula, what will you get? 3 into 5 minus 1. That is it. Are you followed? So this one we will find out one by one. What is the meaning of A11? I is 1 and j is 1. So what will you get? 3 into 1 minus 1.
I1 is
See what is I? What is this here? It is given. What is the value of I? 1. J 2. Therefore this will be 3 into 1 minus 2. And what is the meaning of this one? A21. What is the meaning? 3 into 2 minus 1. And this is A22. What is the meaning? 3 into 2 minus 2. What is the meaning of A31? 3 into 3 minus 1. Next is A32. 3 into 3 minus 2. Are you followed this one? No response. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Are you replace what is the value of I here? What is the meaning of A11? I is equal to 1, j equal to 1. What is the meaning of A12? I is equal to 1, j equal to 2. Replace that value here. The question is given now. What is Aij? What is the meaning of A21? I is 2, j is 1. 3 into 2 minus 1. Are you followed? That is equal to 3 into 1 is how much? 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. How much? 3 minus 2? 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 1, 8.
7.
7. That is the answer. Are you followed now? Check the steps. Followed all of you. Those are not followed, raise the hand. In between Ayush and these people were not listening. When I was explaining, talking is going on. Then I have to explain for you. The question it is given 3 by 2. So you not made this one 3 by 2. Then what is the value of Aij is given? What is this is the part of the question. What is given? 3i minus j. What is the meaning of A11? I is 1 and j is 1. So replace I1 and j1. 3 into 1 minus 1. Are you followed? How will you find out A32? How will you find out A32? I is replaced as how much? 3. J is replaced as 2. So replace what will you get? 3 into 2 minus 3 into 3 minus 2. Here, this boy, stand up. How will you find out? A41. First, what is the value of I here? Huh? What is the value of I here? Do you know what is the meaning of A41? Do you know what is the meaning of? Do you know what is mean by A11? What is A11? First row, first element. What is the meaning of A41? Fourth row, first element. What is the meaning of A23? So that means in Aij, I stands for row or column. Row. J stands for column. So replace. I is 2, J is 3. Replace over here. So replace and tell how much you'll get. Replace I equal to 2. 3 into how much? 3 into 2 minus 3. What is the meaning of A41? What will you replace? Do you know substitution? First time hearing, no? Very good. Leave. This completed all of you, sit down. All of you completed? Do you know how to substitute any value? Stand up there. Put a plus b whole square. Put a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 1. Or b is equal to 1. Let me see how you substitute. Are you telling something? Hey, what are you looking at there? Do you know replacing the value of a and b over here? English, are you following? Then replace and instead of a put 3. 3 plus 3. I said this week on what is a is written out there? A is 3. B. Then go and sit in the last. Go there, because you will learn more from there. No? There was place for there, no. Then replace 3 plus 1 all square. The same way substitute. A11 means I is 1, J is 1. So what do you mean by 3, 1? 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1. Understood? Look here, this way going with corners you will not study. You know you are weak, so come and sit in the front bench and learn. There people will sit and talk. Next. Sit down. Completed all of completed. We complete this one. So read this one. Bro. Next question, one more. Let me see from each. Nobody is going there. Right? A is equal to. Okay, do this one. Who asked that one? First write what is A, then find the value. Well, goes immediately to our video. After that, I have to explain that. Write properly, other than maybe 10 times try.
Sir.
Sir will not write. This is not the problem of matrix. This is substituting is the problem for you. Addition, subtraction is the problem. Please learn addition and subtraction come. Who got the answer?
Sir.
Sir.
Sir, no.
Aina?
Sir, God. Sir, why?
Why?
Sir, done.
This one is the right in the matrix. Look, first of all, look over here. First is A is equal to what is the order 2 by 2. What is it here? A11, A12, A21, A22. This Atharva. Now, next is here. According to this question, it is I plus 2j. So, what is the meaning? 1 plus 2 into 1. This one 1 plus 2 into 2. This one 2 plus 2 into 1. Next is 2 plus 2 into 2. This is the way you are done?
Yes, sir.
That is 3. And this is 5, 4, 6. How many of you got this answer? Now all got that. Homework is already given to you? Sharaf. Bye.
चलो ट्रेन I just